Is it really possible for this and this to make this beautiful and delicious Danish? It is, and if you keep watching, I'll show you how it's done. We need to start with 40 grams of sugar, and we're going to add 150 grams of cream cheese, which I have softened up a little bit, and we're just going to mix that up with a fork, and we're going to mix it until it's smooth and everything's mixed together. And we're going to add in just a quarter teaspoon of lemon juice. If I had warmed the cream cheese to room temperature first, this might be a little bit easier, but I didn't. This is just a regular 8-ounce tube of crescent rolls, and we're just going to open it up. Decided to do it on its own. And we're going to remove crescent roll from the package without unrolling them. If I didn't want to do that, it would be simple. And then we're going to roll this area back up. And we're going to see how we can do it, cutting it into 8 pieces. Okay, now that we have them all rolled out, what we're going to do is make them round again as best we can. Then we're going to push them down with a flat bottom bowl and rock it around so that it creates a little bit of a lip. Now we'll transfer that to a baking sheet. Now we're going to do our best to remove this and get it onto the parchment paper. Okay, so we're going to put more or less a tablespoonful on each one of these. Then we're going to kind of try to spread it around. This is 1 egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of milk, and we're just going to brush it around on the crescent dough to help give it a nice color when it's baked. Speaking of baking, the oven is preheating to 375, and these will be in the oven for 10 to 13 minutes until they look like they're done. Nice and lightly browned on the crust and cream cheese melted down where it belongs. Now I'm going to take these in and put them in the oven. Here is our finished cream cheese Danish. Beautiful, isn't it? And tasty. Thanks for watching. See you next video.